So, this is Donna's microscope. We've had it for years, and I just now took it out of the box. And it's very heavy. Ooh! Solid metal. And the eyepiece reads, need my glasses. The eyepiece reads WF 10x by 18 millimeter, I guess. 10 times. But then there's 3 lenses that you can turn from one to the other. And one of them says 10/0.25, 160/0.17. And then a slightly larger one reads 40/0.65, 160/0.17. And then the smallest one says 4/0.10, 160/0.17. And it's got an electric light, which I just tested and works fine. It's supposed to also have batteries in here, which are rechargeable. And gosh, we never, according to the directions, you're supposed to charge them for hours before you use them. So I guess that's for when you're, oh, well, there must be batteries in there because I don't have it plugged in, and there's the light. So there are batteries in there, and they're partially charged. Even after years, my goodness, that's amazing. So that's, yeah, we can't actually look at anything because I have no slides. There's nothing that came to look at yet, unless Donna has something. I'll check with her.